Hello, Meg. Hi, Meg. Meg, I can't hear you, Meg. Can you speak?
No.
What do you mean, no? Wait,
Camera.
yes, camera. No? Oh, that's fine, Meg.
That,
Hello, Meg. Did you sleep?
no.
Oh, no, you did not. I thought you did. Okay. How are you, Meg?
I'm fine.
You're fine. That's good to know. Wait, let me share my screen directly. And for today, we will have this one. Oh, no, not this one. Let me share again. Okay, we will have subjects. Okay, we will have this one now, Meg. What's his or her favorite subject? You would say his or her favorite subject is science. Okay, now, can you tell me, Meg, what's his favorite subject?
He subject.
His favorite subject
He favors subject.
is is
It's Scotland.
science.
As
Science.
Ireland.
Yes,
Sky.
again, let us have a quick review, Meg. Look at the screen, Meg. Okay, we have here science, science, art, math, PE, music, and social studies. Okay, remember those six subjects, Meg? Now, can you tell me again what's his favorite subject? What's his favorite subject?
He.
Yes,
He
Meg. His favorite subject?
favorite subject is Sky.
Science. Science.
Science.
Yes, that's correct. Now, next one. What's her favorite subject, Meg?
I don't know.
Her favorite subject. Okay, let me show it to you then. Okay, here are the subjects. Tell me, what's his favorite subject? What's her favorite subject? Yes. What's her favorite subject?
Uh, she favorite subject is music. It's
Is
math.
it is it music? It's art, Meg.
It's
It's
art.
art. Yes. Wait. Her favorite subject is art.
Môn học yêu thích của cô ấy là mỹ thuật.
Now, let us have the next one.
He
What's his
suka
favorite subject?
he should eat
Favorite?
music.
Is it music, Meg? It's not music.
Eat that music.
It's not music. What's his favorite
Ah,
subject?
math.
Yes. What's her favorite subject?
Purpose.
What's her favorite subject?
She
Her
favorite subject is
favorite is PE. PE. PE, Meg. P and E. Physical education, Meg. PE. Okay. Now, what's his favorite subject? What's his favorite subject? Can you tell me? What's his favorite subject?
His favorite subject is music.
Very good. And what's her favorite subject?
His subject is
Her favorite subject?
địa
Social studies.
I don't know.
Social studies. Wait.
Social.
Her favorite subject is social studies.
Môn học yêu thích của cô ấy là môn xã hội học.
Okay, social studies, Meg. Now let us have this one. What's his or her favorite subject? You have to answer directly. It's science. It's science. Now again, Meg. Okay, wait.
Just concept.
Can you tell me what's her favorite subject? What's her favorite subject, Meg? It's
She favors.
it's what's her favorite subject?
What the favorite subject is? I don't know.
Science. Science. Science, Meg.
I
Her favorite subject is science.
Môn học yêu thích của cô ấy là khoa học.
Okay, so please look at the pictures, Meg, as it will give you a clue. What's his favorite subject? What's his favorite subject, Meg? Welcome back, Meg. Okay, so let us
Hello, teacher.
yes, hello, Meg. Let's continue, Meg. Can you tell me what's his favorite subject? What's his favorite subject, Meg?
He prefers it
It's
thể dục.
what subject
Ano?
is it? Oh, why don't you know, Meg? We have here again, we have here the subjects, Meg, and these pictures serves as a clue for you to tell what subject they like. Like for example, in here we have science. Okay, wait, let me translate it all for you, Meg.
Soccer.
We are talking about school subjects,
PE.
specifically science,
PE.
art, math,
PE.
music, and social studies.
Chúng ta đang nói về các môn học ở trường, cụ thể là khoa học, mỹ thuật, toán học, thể dục, âm nhạc và xã hội học.
Okay, now tell me, Meng, what's his favorite subject?
PE.
Okay, it's PE. What's her favorite subject?
Math.
Very good, it's math. What's his favorite subject?
Ra.
Art. Art.
R.
What's her
R.
favorite subject?
Music.
What's his favorite subject?
Civic.
Social studies. Social studies. Can you say
Social.
Can you say it again, Meg? Social studies.
Social.
Studies.
Study.
Okay, yes. Thank you. Now, let us continue. And here, I want you to use your pen to match it. Which picture, Meng, which picture among in here shows the subject PE? PE. Okay. Next one, science. Science. Is that okay? Music. Yes, that's right. That is music. Now, in here, Meg, this is not science. This is social studies. Okay, this is social studies, Meg, and science is here. It's science, this one. Okay, so don't be confused, Meg. Don't be confused. And science, Meg, we use these things, okay, especially in experimenting. However, in social studies and learning about the past, learning about the world, of course, we use these. Okay, now let us proceed in what subject is it, Meng? What subject is it? Can you tell me? This one? It's
Circle.
social studies. Social studies.
Social study.
Okay, what about this one? What subject is it? It's it's Music. Okay, so I see that we still have to focus talking about the subjects next meeting, Meng. But yes, that would be all. Thank you so much. Good night, Meng.
Goodbye, teacher.